Hey, what the car ready by Fenipa?
So it is your boy and Kwame, what you seeing again. It's another brand new day. I'm here to give you brand new content. As much as you're a subscriber to this channel, I need to be feeding you, like, you get what I'm saying, a newborn baby. As a newborn baby, they are always going to breastfeed that baby with milk. I need to always come here and feed you with content because I don't want to disappoint you. Diana, I subscribe to this channel and this guy is not doing what he needs to do. Yeah, I got you. Therefore, I'm here to always bring content to you. So today is also another episode of Asemeba David that I'm bringing to you. Since last 2 weeks, this particular video where we are going to talk of, this video was on my was trending and it is still trending. And it is my busting because I don't know whom to blame now. I don't know whom to blame now. As I'm speaking, I don't know whom to blame now because how can you tell me, oh, station, okay, age station, car no, yes, you said this is going. Now my bet in that car, no, me to car, and on our way to my destination, Nyankopon senya de bi oye nsenkyere ne wa abrabom Nyankopon eto nsuo to the people a yatoto omo pipe mu senya omo benya nsuo anom oto nsuo gu plant so senya plant ni begro na me metue sika ma o se fa me kofie a odi me akohyepu. Let's watch the video after we talk much about it.
Hey, what the car ready by Fenipa? One got a chicken driver, Mr. Me besides him, Diasema, can I would answer owner, Mr. Diasem. Kabibi, Udia Kabibi Kakra, where I browse and so what we are from. Obi Timoto so cry, no one was saying, yeah, I think oh.
So the video that you watched, this issue happened in Greater Accra, the capital city of Ghana. The capital city of Ghana. The capital city of Ghana. Once again, I don't know whom to blame. So probably I know at the end of this video, in the comment section, you guys will let me know whom I should blame. These people get on a car, going to their destination. Once again, Nyankopon ya dia nipa ntiase or yen sentre ni Nyankopon wonder doing God. On their way, Nyankopon say ma nto nsuo plant so senior they can grow. Also those are yatoto omo pipe ma nto nsuo senior ombentumi asobi. Normal boil omo boil normal filter and so manum bi no mo de bia ye dua omo de bia dwale. And during the process of the raining, the people on this car, they got themselves in hell. In so time and so that like enka obi mfa moto kra na nka nso ne mbono ne enka se wo de oti moto so na nso abo. What a car mun so to na e to no be say nso ni free window ni mu na e ba o. Nso ni bo like I don't know. Once again, I don't know whom to blame. Let me start from where can I say should I blame the driver? Or I should blame the car owner? Or I should blame the station master? Or I should blame the Ghana, is it Ghana Transportation or BBB authority? Those in powers who are in charge of making sure that cars, basic points, so say the cars are in good condition. With these four people, whom am I to blame now? One pan we should put the blame on. Because it is serious. So if you see the interior of this car, if this car is to fail a brake, when you're a light pole, beyond fan kubuma ma ye light, Like you don't, baby, I want you doom light for 1 week, for 1 month. No, the kobo obi ba. One fan kobo obi ba. No, the ko bush. Ako say aduane anka wo say aduane no ye twɛn na harvest time no so a ye harvest na say ye be di no na ka sa aka ne ko wura mu na asɛn no. No, the nkɔfo mo te car no musu a life at risk. Because it is serious. So passengers in this car cannot be blamed. They cannot be blamed. So I'm asking, whom should I blame now? But in the comment section, let me know. Because I don't know whom to blame. I cannot blame these passengers, although they are putting their life at risk. You cannot tell me the car because I'm not off for car. Now it's own toy. A year born of Africa, but on the process going home, on the way going home, and I'm so I talk. More than so, Garapo. So please, in the comment section, whom should we blame now? Whom should we put the blame on? One and it is so I am for blame the man to say me driver and I'm blame never see me tickets here. So should we blame the driver or the car owner or the station master, the station where this car they know? We should blame that person. Or we should blame the person who always take the sales. A car owner, no, they be just sales. Should we blame that person? Or we should blame the driver? No trick car, no, say car, say. Or we should blame those who are in high authorities to check, say, car na is so these cars are functioning properly. And it is funny, like when the passengers were complaining to this driver is just laughing. We out. Make sure you let me know the person where the tissue and they blame the vicinity. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. You like and share my videos among your friends. And at this moment, I have nothing to tell you, but rather to say to you that you'll see.